Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to edit product tags or features in Instagram. Whether you're a business owner or an influencer, optimizing your Instagram posts can greatly enhance your engagement and shopping experience. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Take a moment to navigate to the specific post that contains the product tag or feature you wish to edit. Step 2. Once you've found the post, locate the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on them to access the Options menu. Step 3. From the Options menu, select Edit to enter the editing mode for the post. Step 4. Look for the bag icon and tap on it. This will bring up the Tag Products option. Step 5. Tap on Tag Products to enable the tagging feature for the post. Step 6. Now comes the fun part. Simply drag the existing tags from their current position to where you want them to be on the post. This allows you to rearrange and customize your product tags or features. Step 7. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, tap the tick mark to save your edits. By following these simple steps, you can easily edit product tags or features in your Instagram posts, ensuring that your content is visually appealing and user-friendly. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to edit product tags or features in Instagram. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Happy editing!